Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to sort by price on Airbnb mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Airbnb app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap the search bar at the top. Type in your destination, select your check-in date or out date and the number of guests. Then tap search. Now you will see a list of available places. To sort them by price, look for the filter or sort option usually found at the top right or just above the listing. Just tap here, then choose price low to high or high to low. Tap apply or show stage to see the updated list. Want to stay within a budget? Tap filters, scroll to the price range section and drag the slider to set your minimum and maximum price. Then tap show stage to update the result. Now you will see a listing sorted by price based on your selection. Scroll through, tap on any listing for more details and book the one that fits your needs and your wallet. And that's it, we have just sorted Airbnb stay by price using a phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.